How to disable split screen in Fortnite.
Hello, Fortnite players. If you've ever found yourself wanting to disable the split screen function in the game, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into how you can enjoy your gaming experience without the dual perspectives.
What is split screen in Fortnite?
Split screen is a feature in Fortnite that allows two players to play on the same console, dividing the screen into two sections. This can be a fantastic feature for those wanting to play locally with a friend, but it might not be everyone's cup of tea. If you're someone who prefers a full screen for yourself, you might want to turn this feature off.
Can I disable it?
The simple answer is yes, you can disable split screen in Fortnite. It's worth noting, however, that you cannot disable the split screen once a match has started. You will need to exit the match and then follow the steps to disable it.
How do I disable split screen?
1. Launch Fortnite and reach the main lobby. 2. If you're in split screen mode, there should be two player icons at the top. 3. Hover over or move your cursor to the second player's icon, the one you want to remove. 4. There will be an option to kick out or remove the second player. Select it. 5. Confirm the action if prompted. After doing this, you should be back in single-player mode with the split screen disabled. And that wraps it up. Hopefully, this guide has helped you disable split screen in Fortnite and get back to enjoying the game the way you like. Happy gaming, and see you on the battle bus!